Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and you may notice a castle background. It's because we're talking about the doTERRA On Guard, Young Living Thieves, as well as Melaleuca Armor Blends, and how it's so important to not just protect the castle, but protect your body. That's right, here we go. So we're going to talk about the benefits, uses, and some other information that'll be very helpful for you. So the benefits of the doTERRA On Guard is that it supports healthy immune, respiratory, and circulatory function in your body. Then the benefits of the Young Living Thieves is that it neutralizes and purifies the air and surfaces from odors. And then finally, Melaleuca Armor freshens, cleanses, and purifies the air and surfaces of impurities. The uses are threefold with doTERRA, which makes it stand out amongst the other two brands. But you can diffuse doTERRA aromatically. You can add 2 to 3 drops in veggie capsule and drink with water and food for better absorption. And then you can also add a couple drops to detergent or wash rags for more green cleaning. The uses for the Young Living Thieves are twofold. You can use in a diffuser and use that aromatically. Also add a few drops to dish water, dishwasher, or detergent for green cleaning. And the benefits of the Melaleuca Armor are twofold. So you can diffuse aromatically, or you can dilute and massage onto the bottoms of your feet, which is a reflex point, or rub into the palms of your hands and inhale. The ingredients of the doTERRA On Guard are wild orange, clove, cinnamon leaf, cinnamon bark, eucalyptus leaf, and rosemary leaf and flower. The ingredients of the Young Living Thieves is clove, lemon, cinnamon zeylanicum and verum, eucalyptus radiata, and rosemary. And then finally, the Melaleuca Armor ingredients are cinnamon, clove, eucalyptus globulus, lemon, rosemary, and eucalyptus radiata. As you can see, there's some similarities and differences of the ingredients, and that's what makes them kind of a unique blend amongst other products in each company's portfolio. Finally, the price of doTERRA is $42.67 RT or retail, and then that's for a 15 milliliter bottle, which is about 250 drops. And then it's $32 wholesale for this bottle. And I have other videos that kind of cover the difference between retail and wholesale on my channel, so you can check those out, and I'll have more links in the description. And then the price of the Young Living Thieves is $45.72 retail, which is a little bit more than doTERRA, as well as wholesale being $34.75 wholesale for the same 15 milliliter bottle size. And then finally, Melaleuca is $42.67 regular, which is similar to retail, which is the actual exact same price as doTERRA, and then $20 as a preferred member, which is very similar to wholesale. And there's also some other stipulations that come with that particular price, and so you have to do a little bit to get it. But I have some other videos that cover that. Links will be in the description. But that concludes this video overview comparison. And so if you got some value out of today's video, make sure to hit the like button, make sure to hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, again, check out those links. I'll have playlists, I'll have other videos, as well as links that you can just kind of learn more about each company individually and kind of compare it as well. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video.